guys, it's Jenny and we are just hanging out today, so I thought I would bring you along with, and welcome to my messy background. But I just fed little baby Jack and we're just hanging out watching some Disney movies. We watched The Rescuers, which is a really cute old movie. If you haven't seen it, definitely recommend it. It's from like way back in like the 70s or something, I think. And now we're about to watch The Little Mermaid while I plop him in his activity center so I can brush my teeth and get ready for the day. Also, yes, I impulsively chopped all my hair off last night and I don't really know how I feel about it yet, but we're rolling with it. Brushing my teeth always makes me feel so much better in the morning. Like, I hate my mouth feeling gross and dirty, but let's put on some makeup for the first time in what feels like forever and maybe do something with my hair. Okay, I just threw something on quick, tied my hair back, put my headband on, and we're gonna try to do our makeup now. Someone has been fussing, so this will be fun. Baby Jack is playing in the background, but trying to do my hair and get ready. So my mom is a preschool teacher and she has their end of the year party. So we're gonna go and say hi since her coworkers have given Jack some stuff and haven't met him yet. So just thought we would go and hang out and say hey. He had his 6-month appointment yesterday and it went really well. It was like a weird number. It was 18 pounds, 13.6 ounces, and then he was basically 27 inches. It was like 26.97. Head circumference was like 44 centimeters, I think. But growing really well. So that's good. I have him on a mat on the floor, just playing with some toys right now to keep him entertained. But he also said mama for the first time yesterday. He was sitting in his little activity center and he was just babbling and then said mama, just mama. And Sean heard it and said something about it, and I had heard it too, but I didn't want to say anything. So I'm like, am I hearing things? Am I just making sense of babbling? But he definitely said mama, so that made me really happy. Obviously, I mean, every time I'm playing with him and hanging out with him, I always am babbling to him and saying mama and dada and stuff. So apparently it's working. And yes, I know I'm doing this in the most haphazard way possible, but we can go see Oma at work soon? Yeah. But I am going to finish up and then we are gonna get changed. I mean, don't have to change him. I'm going to get changed. Me and my personalities, apparently. But put on something cute, maybe, and go hang out with my mom and a bunch of preschoolers for a little bit. Jack. Got my hair styled and all done. We made it to the party and ended up having to run around and do water the whole time. We're just sitting in my mom's classroom right now. I had to change him and I tried feeding him, but he just doesn't want to eat, even though it's been like almost 5 hours since he last ate and he normally eats by now. But we are gonna pack up and probably head out. I need to get him some diapers if they have any in his size, and then head home probably. I got really hot and sweaty. I feel disgusting just from running around and there being so many people in the cafeteria, and the AC in the classroom is really loud, so I don't even know you can hear any of this, so we'll see. That ended up being really chaotic. I ended up running around and grabbing a lot of stuff. Like, they left condiments in their classroom and the end of the year party in the cafeteria, so I had to run all the way back to their classroom and grab stuff. And then they needed scissors at one point, so I had to run and grab them. And then they needed like water filled into like little cups for everyone, and they were running low, so I went and refilled it. And then I ended up just being the water person for the whole night, just running back and forth with pitchers and filling water and refilling waters and milk and everything, and I am exhausted. I just put in some nachos in the oven. I have a really good recipe that I've made. It's not really a recipe, it's more just throwing things together, but it's really good. So I have a video that I had taken a while back that I was going to use for a different vlog, and then I ended up not finishing it, so I'll just insert that here. But they are so good. It's so quick and easy. It's something you can just throw in really quick on those busy days where you're just really tired and don't really feel like cooking. Like typically it takes like 5, maybe 10 minutes max to just pop in the oven and let it bake for a little bit and you're good to go. But yeah, so that was my night. I didn't really film anything there, obviously for privacy reasons for my mom's work and also her students that are preschoolers, because that's kind of creepy and weird. But it was really fun and it was nice to just get out of the house and hang out and just do something. I am exhausted though, so gonna eat some food soon and then shower and just relax for the rest of the night because I'm a little dead. And I ended up cutting off more of my hair than I had anticipated originally, but I actually really like it curled. With my natural hair, not so much, but I think I'm getting used to it. It's okay. I keep staring at it in the viewfinder because it's so weird still. And I even pointed it out to my mom earlier because she didn't say anything and I was at her work for a while. She's like, oh, I just thought because it was curled, it just like shrunk up. I'm like, it was far down. Like I cut like a foot off practically and you somehow didn't notice. My brother didn't notice because he thought it was just like kind of tied back or like half kind of back or something like that or whatever. I don't know, but no one noticed. So, but it feels so much healthier. I know it may not be perfectly even, but I don't really care, quite honestly, because I don't really go anywhere, and you guys are the only ones that really see me besides my family. Who cares? But I don't know. Tell me what you think. Sean said he liked it. And then I just wanted to show my outfit really quick. This dress is so cute. It's from Walmart, kind of mid-shin length, and it has pockets. I'll link it down below because it's so cute and you guys have to get it. So that is just a little mini day in my life as a stay-at-home mom that actually had something to do for once and left the house and did my hair and makeup. So let me know what you guys want to see from me next. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, give this video a like. I love you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button to join the family and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!